Do you feel bloated after eating, suffer from gas, acidity, constipation, or feel tired after every meal? Well, the problem may not be what you are eating, it may be how you are digesting it. According to both modern science as well as yoga and Ayurveda, good digestion is the foundation of good health. Today, we'll understand why digestion becomes weak and, more importantly, 7 very simple ways to restore it naturally. Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha. Let's understand what is digestion. Digestion is much more than breaking food into smaller pieces. Your digestive system has to do a lot of things like break down food, absorb nutrients, feed your body's cells, remove waste efficiently. If digestion is weak, even the healthiest food cannot nourish your body properly. Think of it in a way that good food plus poor digestion is equal to poor health. Well, what are the signs of weak digestion? First is frequent bloating, then gas, acidity, constipation, loose stools, feeling sleepy after your meals, bad breath, low energy, nutritional deficiencies. If these symptoms occur regularly, your digestive system may need attention. Now, question is why digestion becomes weak. There are several reasons. First is eating too fast. Most people finish meals in less than 10 minutes. When you don't chew properly, your stomach has to work much harder. Digestion actually begins in the mouth. Overeating. Our digestive organs have a limited capacity. Eating beyond fullness overloads the system and slows digestion. At Bharat Yoga, we always recommend filling half the stomach with food, one quarter with water, and leaving one quarter empty for proper digestion or the circulation of air. Well, proper food choices also plays a very important role. Highly processed foods disturb the balance of gut bacteria and increases inflammation. Your body has two modes, flight or fight, and then rest and digest. When you're constantly stressed, digestion naturally slows down. Then lack of physical activity is a very important factor because activity, movement stimulates intestinal movement. A sedentary lifestyle often contributes to constipation and sluggish digestion. During sleep, the entire digestive system repairs itself. Chronic sleep deprivation affects digestion, hormones, and metabolism. According to Ayurveda, digestion depends upon Jatharagni, the digestive fire. When Agni becomes weak, food isn't properly digested, leading to toxin accumulation called ama. Now, point is how to improve digestion naturally. First and most important is chew thoroughly. Aim for 20-30 chews per bite. This very simple habit can affect you greatly. Eat until 80% full. Stop eating before you feel completely full. Your stomach and your future self will really thank you. Drink water wisely, stay hydrated throughout the day, and avoid drinking large amounts during meals as it may make you uncomfortable. Include fiber like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, seeds. These nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Move after meals. Take a gentle 10 to 15 minutes of walk or sit in Vajrasan for a few minutes after eating. This supports digestion naturally. Reduce stress. What to do for that? Deep breathing, meditation, everyday yoga abhyas, mindful eating. A calm mind promotes better digestion. Well, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Your digestive system needs time to recover. It is also recommended that you eat freshly prepared food, avoid eating when angry or anxious, maintain regular meal timings, eat according to your appetite, use digestive spices like ginger, cumin, coriander, fennel, and turmeric properly. Small daily habits create long-term digestive health. Make sure that you practice yoga abhyas every single day. Remember, your health doesn't depend on what you eat, it depends on how your body can digest and absorb it. Strengthen your digestion and you will improve your energy, immunity, and overall well being. If you found this video helpful, share this video with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on yoga, Ayurveda, nutrition, holistic wellness, and Indian culture. I have already shared a complete video with you in past about simple habit that can help you in maintaining your digestion. So if you have not seen that video, make sure you go to the description box below and check the link And that 5-minute routine just after your meal can work wonders to fix your indigestion, to fix your all digestion related problems. That's all for today. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.